In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design list components in Figma. We'll build a clean reusable list item that's responsive, easy to maintain, and ready for different states like hover and active. Start by opening your design file and navigating to the frame or canvas where your list will live. We'll begin with a single list item because designing one solid example makes it easy to scale later. Create two separate text layers, one for a clear title and one for a supporting subtitle. Keeping them as distinct layers allows you to control spacing and alignment precisely. Select both text layers and wrap them in an auto layout frame by pressing Shift+A. Auto layout is the key to consistent, adaptable spacing. In the right-hand panel, set the spacing between items to control the distance between your title and subtitle. Then set padding on the frame so the content has comfortable breathing room on all sides. This ensures your list item looks balanced, whether it's used alone or repeated in a longer list. Align the content as needed, usually left aligned for readability. Now let's integrate supporting elements. Add icons to the frame for leading or trailing positions and include a checkbox if your list needs selection. Place them directly inside the same auto layout frame so spacing remains consistent. Adjust the spacing between items to set the exact gap between the icon and the text, and between any trailing elements. The idea is to let auto layout do the heavy lifting, so you don't have to nudge elements manually. With structure in place, set the text layers to hug contents for width. This makes each text layer resize automatically to its content without unnecessary empty space. Next, set the main list item frame to hug contents vertically. That way, if your subtitle wraps to a second line or you add an extra bit of detail later, the height expands gracefully without breaking the layout. When your single list item looks right, turn it into a main component using CMD or Ctrl+Option+K. Components let you update a single source and propagate changes everywhere the item is used. After creating the component, set up variants for different states like hover and active. Create visual differences that clearly communicate state, such as a subtle background fill for hover or a bolder text, or icon treatment for active while keeping spacing, alignment, and structure consistent across variants. Consistency is what makes variants powerful and predictable. You now have a reusable, responsive list component with clean spacing, optional icons and checkboxes, and practical interaction states. Thanks for watching.